Hey YouTube, I just got back from Best Buy and I just bought the Tritton Ax 720. It was $129.99 as of today, and we're going to do a little unboxing, and I'll do a review in about a week, or after I try it out, tell you how well they work. I was going to get the Ax Pros, but they didn't sell them. They were just on their online store. So here's what it looks like when you open it up. Plastic. Pretty nice. I'm going to slide this out. Nothing more in the box. Here's what we got. The first thing that fell out is the Tritton Ax 720 product manual. On the back, we got our mic cord. Pretty long, too. That's good. This box just slipped out. Let's see what's in here. Figure out how to open it. Okay. Okay, we open it up and we have our detachable microphone. I've heard this is also noise canceling. See that? We have our 3.5mm jack for Xbox Live Chat. We have our adapter for the PC. This is dedicated for Xbox and PS3. We have our USB power cord and our optical cable. And we have another box in here, which I'm going to guess is the power adapter. Yep. Power adapter. So it can be charged off of USB, or it can be charged off of power adapter. Okay. Next, we're gonna pull this out. So feed this through. Okay, that's all there is with this box. Next, we are, I believe, okay. This casing just pulls out here, and we have our Tritton. This is the box for your Dolby Digital and all your connections, your headphone port. I'm not really sure what any of these do. I'm gonna have to read the manuals for that. Okay. And here are the headphones themselves. They're nice looking. So far, let's pull them out. Just gonna place these down here. Pull up the cable. That's it for that box. And we have here is our headphones, our cable. There's a little clip, if you can see it, attached to your shirt or something, and it goes all the way. It's bundled up here. Here's your controls. This pops out. Hold on. Yeah. See? That pops out. Plug that back in. Nice and tight fitting. Up here we got our mic mute, unmute. On the side we got our volume and our controller where we can use our Xbox Live Chat. The other side we have our game volume and I think that's this. We got our game volume and our switch when you're connecting it to a PC. Okay. Yeah, this is the left one. They fit really nice. They're noise canceling. I can barely hear myself talk. Not really into showing my face, but yeah, you know that. Yeah, they fit really nicely. A little bit tight. We're gonna break them in though. And They don't swivel like most ones do. But, see? Big open fitting. So yeah, that pretty much concludes the unboxing for the Tritton Technologies Ax 720 gaming headphones. Thanks for watching.